The switch both turns your tool on and off and allows you to vary the speed of the motor. After years of use, the switch can fail, either no longer turning the motor on or losing its ability to vary the speed of the motor. Replacing the variable speed switch is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the side cover from the rear handle. With the cover removed, now I have access to the switch. I'll pull the switch from the housing and note the location of each of the wires before I remove them. The majority of the wires on the switch are secured with a trapdoor fastener. The trapdoor fastener uses a metal tab that presses against the wire. To release it, I'll insert a push pin next to the wire that'll open the trapdoor and allow me to pull the wire out. The cord wires are secured with 2 small screws. Now I can begin installing the new switch. I'll need to transfer this jumper wire from the old switch to the new. I'll insert the jumper wire into the connections on the new switch. Next, I'll install the purple wire from the brush, and now the cord wires. First the black, and then the white. Now I'll turn the switch over and install the white wire from the field, the orange wire from the brush, and the black wire from the field. I'll insert the switch back into the housing and tuck all of the wires out of the way. And I'll finish by reinstalling the handle cover. And now you know how to install a new switch in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.